room by size. In this video, you will learn how to add room by size. Tap on the Tools icon on the top left and then tap Room by Size. A pop-up window will appear. Here you can change the room label along with the room width and length. You can type in the value or use your laser disto to set the dimensions. Tap Done when finished and the room will appear in your drawing screen. To use your laser meter, tap on Distance Meter, select your type, and then click on your device. After you are connected, click Width and shoot the distance to automatically update your dimension. Do the same for length. Tap Done when finished, and the room will appear in your drawing screen.